Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile image on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to change their profile image, maybe you have a better looking profile, and you just want it to show something better. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log on to feedly.com. Then on the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on your profile name, and then click on settings. Afterwards, you're going to click on your profile located right over here. And then from here, you could actually go ahead and replace or remove your profile picture. So with that, replace it with the picture that you want, and there you have it. But also on this page, you could actually change your name, you can change your family name, and you could also change your email as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile picture on Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.